Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to embed SurveyMonkey into Squarespace. Now the first thing you want to do is just go ahead and open up the survey you want to embed and then click here on collect responses. And from here we are going to click on add new collector and then click on website collector. Okay. And on this page right here, we need to choose an option. There's different ways to do this. I will go ahead and use embedded survey. You can use these others as well. I'll just click on embedded survey and I'll copy the code that comes up. Okay. So here we go. We have this code. I'll just click on copy code. It's copied to my clipboard. And now we can come here to Squarespace. And once you're in the edit mode, click here on add block and you can choose this one right here that says embed. So you can drag and drop this to your website anywhere you would like. Then just click here on the edit icon, click on code snippet, and then click on embed data. Now here just paste in your code and you can click back and you're basically done. Okay, so the script has been embedded. And right now, while we are, previewing this, it is disabled when we're editing the website, but it does work. And it's really that easy and simple. That is how you embed SurveyMonkey into Squarespace.